It's Tracy. You asked right at the beginning of the day, today will be worthwhile if. And immediately I thought today would be worthwhile if I hit the pause button and reassess where I'm at, because I'm a very busy person and I am involved in a lot of doing, and today far exceeded my expectations in terms of being able to really look at that question, and it was as if I was meant to be here all along. So thank you, Carolyn. I've got so much to go away with from this day. I've done a lot of study in this area, but you just opened up, things that hadn't fitted for me before, and it was just incredibly helpful knowledge, and you put it together so well. It was all well organised, well planned, the activities were all focused for a purpose. I think you're brilliant, and I really appreciate being part of this day, so thank you.